Hey guys, it's Cody with Home to Homestead, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the maintenance required light, also known as the oil change light, over here on this display panel on your older generation Tacomas. So I have a 2007, I believe that year group was 2005 to 2015, I believe. So if you have a truck inside that year group, this should work for you. So all you're really going to need to do for this to work is you're going to need your key, and you're going to take your key, put it into your ignition, okay? You do want your odometer to be reading ODO. So we're going to hold this. So you see there, it's going to be saying ODO with a whole bunch of miles. I'm now going to take, while holding the odometer, I'm going to turn my key to the on position on my ignition. So we're there. All right, now my odometer is flashing. It just flashed, and now it cleared. And sorry, I just dropped you, and my light cleared. And that's how easy it is. But anyways, look, just a little quick video, something super simple you can do, make your life just a little bit easier. But if this video has been helpful for you, hit that like and subscribe. Anyways, it's been Cody with Home to Homestead, out here.